Barbados is one of the Caribbean's most attractive destinations, not just for travelers but for property owners looking to generate short-term rental income. Whether you're a local homeowner or a foreign investor, operating a tourist accommodation in Barbados comes with specific legal requirements. This video walks you through each step to ensure you're compliant and set up for success. In Barbados, whether your property qualifies as a tourist accommodation depends on how long and how often it's rented out. The law defines a tourist accommodation as any property such as a house, apartment, villa or guest house that is rented to paying guests for less than 6 months. This includes short stays of just a few nights or weeks, whether the guests are residents or tourists. If your rental falls under this category, you must follow the licensing and regulatory process. Your first step is registering with the Barbados Tourism Product Authority, BTPA, online to obtain a license. This license is valid until December 31st of each year and must be renewed annually by January 1st. You are also required to remit 2 main taxes: the Shared Economy Levy, which ranges from 10% to 12%, depending on the property type, and income tax, based on your reported rental income. You must register with the Barbados Revenue Authority, BRA, to file and pay these taxes. In some cases, VAT, value added tax, may also apply, but it is optional if your rental income is below the VAT registration threshold. Your property will be inspected to ensure that it meets basic health and safety standards. It must be clean, structurally sound and free of hazards. It is advisable to get a personal liability policy of BBD $500,000 to offer protection against guest-related damages or legal claims. Waste management is also a host responsibility. You must provide approved refuse bins, maintain clean surroundings, and follow the official garbage collection schedule issued by the Ministry of Health. If your property is located outside a designated collection zone, you'll need to arrange private waste disposal. Avoid leaving junk on the premises or blocking public roads with bins, as these can lead to fines or complaints. If your property includes private parking, be sure to mention this in your listing. If not, you must clearly inform guests in advance and offer directions to nearby legal parking areas. Failure to set expectations about parking can lead to guest complaints and violations. Hosts must maintain a guest register. This record should include guest names, contact information, check-in and check-out dates, and ID numbers. Authorities may request to see this register during inspections. Keeping one also helps you stay organized and adds a layer of accountability to your business. Barbados is open to foreign property ownership, and there are no restrictions on owning or operating a tourist accommodation as a non-resident. However, if you purchase property using foreign currency, the transaction should be registered with the Central Bank of Barbados to facilitate future repatriation of funds. Additionally, foreign property owners who wish to spend extended time on the island can apply for a special entry and reside permit, SERP, which allows for long-term stays and multiple entries. If you're unsure where to begin or need help with licensing or taxes, Lodge Compliance handles everything from registration to filing. Barbados offers an incredible opportunity to build a short-term rental business, but only if you play by the rules. So stay compliant, stay informed, and build something sustainable.